Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound and Gray Man Prepping. Doing the garden stuff, so I'll probably post this to both channels. But I just did one today, a quick one showing me doing some work out here, and let's go look at what I did in real time, not in high speed. And actually, the job's finished now, so let's go take a look at what's going on. All right, let's go down to the far end down here. Actually, let's see it here. So I got, I mentioned before, I got some peppermint and spearmint in the containers there. Staff Sergeant went and transplanted some ones here. But this lettuce here is starting to bolt. I'm going to see if, probably going to go ahead and let it go to seed, harvest the seeds, and then give the rest of it to the chickens. Oh, cherries are starting to get colorful. Same thing with these over here. Alrighty. So one of the things I did here was to turn, like I was doing out front, I turned in soil with compost, mixed it up, added a layer of compost on top. Did this one here, then I soaked them down, and this one settled a bit there. As you can see, it settled a couple inches from the water just settling and packing everything down a little bit. Same here. This one here didn't settle as much because I was mixing water while I was doing it. This one here, I could probably add a couple more, another inch or so down, especially down this side here, down to that. Got this one done this morning, this one, and this one. So actually I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 6 of them this morning down here. These are the other ones. I need to add a little bit more to this one. This one here, I need to just bring some a 5-gallon bucket's worth and spread it around around the lettuce here to give it a little more boost to it, because I planted the lettuce before I had the compost there. And I'll probably do the same thing over here, spread some compost around the peppers here. And this one here, we planted a bunch of the little square pockets, let's see, like this here, of lettuce seeds that were growing. Now there's one that's still growing right there. Not lettuce, onions. And I've been coming out, a couple times a day to water it because it's getting really hot and drying out here. There's another one that's doing okay there. But yeah, I'm gonna have to try something else with it to grow the onions before I put them in. I need to add some compost to this one here. Get it up. Add a little bit more down here. Not much. We already did some down here for this one and this one. Man, I watered these good this morning too, and they're all yeah. So yeah. So this is the all the raised planter beds in the backyard here, looking all the way down there. And let's go take a look at some of the stuff up front. Now, the zucchini here are starting to perk back up. They're enjoying the extra heat and the extra water. And I don't know if you can see it down there by the blue tub. There are tomatoes on that. And the peas are growing up the side here. We're good. So let's take a look out front here. Haven't planted anything in this one or this one yet. But I got lemon balm in here. This one's open. This one's open. Oh, and I did get some caps here to put over the sharp edges here, because this one's gonna be a little hard to kind of cut off unless I dig the dirt out a foot to do it. Some of the flowers the staff sergeant brought for Eli. keep watering that, a couple times, 2 or 3 times a day. But the heat is just beating on it here more than expected. Got another tub down there, and waiting for the watermelons there to sprout. Keep keep adding water to them, and there's still water down in the little trays down there in that one. So got a bunch of sunflowers coming up out there. We'll see how that goes. And I've been laying down the soaker hose here, getting ready for it. Gonna have to start putting chips on this and this one. This one here, I'm gonna have to, for this part going up here, I'm gonna have to dig the chips away, then anchor the soaker hose down in, and then re-chip it. And I got to add some more soaker hose to make it up the rest of the way. And if you're wondering what the old garden hose is on there for, well, rather than wasting water dripping down in between, the soaker hose will drip water inside the green hose and it'll run out the end. So that way the water winds up in the tubs and not on the ground. This chart here seems to be doing pretty good. Yeah, as you can tell, this is definitely a rainbow chart with all the different colors. The red and orange there, and the yellow and red and yellow there. So more tomatoes here, and more tomatoes here. So these are all the IBC totes. Oh, wait a minute, one down there, I haven't put anything in yet. So a little overwhelmed right now about what to plant. I may try putting some radish in some of these, and some root crops, may or may not. Just kind of tired here right now, working hard. It's a lot of work shoveling it, and that's what we got going on right now. So there's your garden update with everything, and what's going on. Oh, I did do something else back here real quick here. I've been going through and thinning apricots. I haven't thinned this tree yet. Oh, there's one. I'm gonna definitely have to get rid of that one there. I've been trying to leave the just 1 or 2 per branch, and that's it, not 10 or 12. So I've been popping off apricots and over at the peach trees too. So I think I need to up the water on these here. The peaches, man, I mean, the foliage on the peach look happy now, but I need to get rid of one there. I'm trying to go through and thin out the peaches too. The peaches are better hidden than the apricots are, but yeah, I need to get out here later and do that. Anyways, oh, Danny's gonna want a tomato. Yep, tomatoes are ready. All right, folks, that's it for now, and I'll see you around. Get your garden going. If you don't have one, start one.